go.
Hey, it's me, Japan Fan 2321. I'm here to show you the things I got from Walmart today. First thing you can see, I got the UFC Ultimate Fighter Championship belt at Walmart, and I am the Ultimate Fighter Championship. No one can beat me, not even my brother. And so that's one of the things I got. I got this light up spiky ball. I was running to go to the store and it broke. Well, I like Bakugan, I like playing football. Subscribe to me, Japan Fan 2321. Subscribe to my two friends, Constitute49 and Idiots 10 and 10. Please leave comments, only nice ones. If you don't leave a nice ones, I will block you. Peace out. The Ultimate Fighter is here. Alright, peace out. Peace out.